For today, we'll be talking about my output in Scrum 2, specifically my HTML code. Before jumping onto the code, let me first show you the output of the code. So this is the website output from the code. Here we can see the navigation bar, a logo, background, as well as the title, the product table, and finally the contact section. Going back to the code, first up is we have the head of the head section, which sets the properties of the website. Here we have the title of the website, Cakes and Crumbs, which you can see over here, and the style sheets used as well as the character set used. Moving on, we have the body. First things first, we have the header that displays the navigation bar, the logo image, and as well as the links that the user can click on to navigate through the pages. So here is the logo, which when clicked redirects the user to the home page, the product section, the contact, and another page for the order now. For the home section, which is basically this, we have a huge display of background with the main title of the website. Here we have a header, Cakes and Crumbs, as well as followed by a paragraph with Cakes, Brownies, Cookies, and Bars by Melanie, which is my mom, since she bakes a lot. Next up, we have the product section, which is a grid display of different products the user can choose to order. So this is the code used to output each of the item in the grid. As for the product preview part of the code, using JavaScript, this basically this the output of this code is hidden, but using JavaScript, upon clicking a product in the confectionery section, a pop-up with further information of the product in question will be displayed. So here we have the image, the name of the product, how many stars it has, and further information. So all of this corresponds to each of the product in the grid. And finally, we have the footer section where the user is able to see how to contact us. It also displays different social media links, though they are not functional yet. And finally, the custom JavaScript file used to make the pop-up active upon clicking the item product. Moving on, we have another page, basically the Order Now page, which simply displays the nav bar and a form to the user to write their information on them. In the code, multiple labels and inputs were made for the user input text, the name, the email, address, city, orders, the card name, credit card number, its expiration, as well as for one submit button.